music. The installation was super easy. You know, sharing with you guys that. Yo, that's crazy! Installing it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're visiting the DC5. As you can see, it's in storage and we're keeping it away from the elements so it can preserve itself. I worked on very hard on this car during the summer, so I want to keep everything nice and pristine. This is not my daily driver, so I always keep it in storage, and as you can see, it's nice and cozy in there. So today we came here to actually do an install video. It's for a product that I just released. It's a DC5 Type R OEM style sequential turn signal, and they're meant to replace the OEM style side marker, so they're straight plug and play. You don't have to do any additional wiring or anything. You just have to pop out the OEM ones and put these in. These are amazing. I just released these couple weeks ago, so I'm making this video for you guys so you can see the sequential turn signal, see how it is compared to the OEM style. It's worth it, guys. It's definitely an amazing product, so I'm gonna show you guys the install video, so enjoy. So check this out, guys. The DC5 looks amazing. If you guys are driving these on the daily, man, definitely worth keeping them in storage if you have a secondary car that you can use. As you can see, I am driving Project Euro. This is pretty much my beater as of right now. Kind of keeping the miles away from the SDI. Trying to preserve that too. We have the product right here. It comes in this little box right here. Very clean presentation. We're gonna open it up and see what's all about in a second. So let's put this on the side and check out the OEM style side markers. These are the clear side markers from the Type R, and many of you have asked me like, how do you install them and whatnot. Guys, I already installed this on my car, so it's hard for me to actually show you how I did it. You do have to cut your fenders, so keep that in mind. What I did to install these, I used the body line right here that goes right along the side of the car as a reference point. I do have a template that I'm going to start including in them with all my products or all my side markers, so you guys can use as a reference point and lay over the template and cut out inside the template with a Dremel tool. Make sure you use a really good quality blade, because you do need to make some sharp corners. It's definitely something that you can do on your own. Don't need a professional to do it. If I did it, you can do it. So let's go ahead and unbox this and I'll show you the installation. Alright, so we have the box right here. Let's open it up. And you're gonna be welcomed with our business card. Right there. Let's put that on the side. And here we have the light. Extremely nice quality, guys. Very nice compared to the stock one. I'll show you guys that in just a second, but very nice quality. Let's put this in the side real quick. This is going to replace your incandescent bulb, so this just plugs into the socket and that's it. You're gonna plug in the socket back in here and it just tucks away like this, and then you won't see it. You do get two in the box right here. Just like that. You can actually see the LED strip in the inside of the lens. These are waterproof, so don't worry about any damages or anything like that. Just make sure your socket, it's nice and sealed there. If you don't turn it hard enough, water might go in there. But the socket, the factory socket, has a seal on it, so make sure you have that seal in there before you plug it in. So here we have the OEM side marker. It just comes out from the back side here. It has a little clip, so just push that and that's it. It comes right out. So we have the socket right here, so we're just gonna untwist that and take it out. And this bulb right here we're gonna take out as well. Next, we're going to install the LED sequential turn signal. Just grab your adapter, plug it in there, and we're going to turn them on and test them out, see if they work. Alright guys, so check that out. This is awesome. It looks really cool. I really love how it starts from one end and it goes to the next. I hope you guys can catch that on camera. But simple plug and play. So next we're going to just tuck it away, just like this. Twist it back in, and then we're just gonna install it back on. Alright, so I went ahead and closed the rolling door so you guys can see it better. I hope you can catch it. It's really bright. It starts in this hand and it goes on to the next side. Pretty cool setup, guys. So that's how it is on this side. And then on this side, compared to the stock one, you can see the lens design. And then you can see the other one. In my opinion, it looks a lot cleaner than the stock one. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of those products that make a big difference on anybody's bill, so make sure you check it out. There is gonna be a link in the description below. This product is gonna come in two different options. One is going to include the wiring, and the other you can just buy the side markers plain. So if you already have the wiring in place, you can just swap them out just like I did. So make sure you guys check it out. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. More videos coming up in the upcoming months, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and until the next one, peace.